everyone. Today we are going to be learning how to update Windows. This is important because it allows your system to run correctly so you can do your schoolwork. Let's walk through this together on my laptop. First of all, go down to the bottom of your screen in the taskbar, look for the search, and type in the word update. Click enter, and you'll notice I got a pop-up, and there is the update that is due right now for my computer. I would just simply need to click restart now. Now, if you don't see one there, but you think perhaps there's one available, go ahead. This button will say check for updates. Now, here's a tip. You may notice in the bottom right corner of your laptop down here that there is a circle with a yellow dot. This also indicates that your computer needs an update. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. You may now proceed to check your laptop for updates.